Have you ever wondered how the rich live in Colombia? Today, we're on our way to go check out an exclusive house in the hills of Envigado in a very private gated community. I'm also here today with my brother Andrew from Medellin livingrealestate.com. He is my driver and my cameraman for the day.
Raining.
Let's go.
All right, Franco, we are here inside of the gated community. Really awesome. This is the parking structure over here, and we're gonna follow you inside.
All right, come on. Well, as soon as we walk in, take a look at this.
Holy cow.
This
look at this open space.
is unique, right? I've not seen anything like this here in Medellin. You have your own little private oasis here, and you'll see that throughout the entire property here as we do the walkthrough. But
Kind of like a little Zen garden
little
here.
Zen garden, that's
These
what I was
are
looking
The
for.
stairs that go up here, this is the first half bath.
Yeah,
Really big, actually.
yeah.
This is nice, okay.
Yeah, this apartment is ideal for a family. Let's come over here to the living area.
Yeah.
It's because we have the kitchen over here.
Yep.
And I'll let you go through here first.
Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, so yeah, you've got the big countertops, a lot of cooking space, and you've got the hood here.
The hood, you also have the electric stovetop right here that blends in nice with the counter. You also have a dishwasher, which of course here in Colombia is not very common.
Yeah.
You have your oven over here as well as your microwave. This is obviously where the refrigerator will go, and then all of the cabinet space and storage space. And over here you have the service room, which is, you know, spacious for some service rooms here, the maid's quarter.
Yeah, maid's quarters, like got a full bath in here.
Exactly.
Okay, full bath. They're using it more of as just storage. They don't have a live-in maid.
Right.
This was built 13 years ago, the owner was telling me.
Yeah.
This is the living area, okay.
Yeah. For being built 13 years ago, I love the design. It still holds up to today's trends and everything. And you have your room over here for a dining table. Space is what you have throughout this entire property.
Yeah.
Okay, so before we head upstairs, let's go over to the laundry area, which has tremendous space here. You can have just exactly like they do, washer, dryer, and then you have just extra storage space, extra, you know, for everything that you really need here.
All your cleaning supplies.
All of the cleaning supplies.
Yeah, a lot of space here, okay. Let's go upstairs.
Let's go upstairs. I love the design of the stairs here. I love the wood with the black railing here.
Yep.
So it's very nice.
Yeah, it definitely looks modern, even though this was built 13 years ago. It looks very new.
Very new.
Well, I think it's also because they keep it very nicely.
Yeah, I love the exposed brick here,
Yeah,
the high ceilings and the wooden high ceilings here.
The natural light, it's beautiful.
Yeah, with this type of design here, like if you look through here, you get all this natural light coming down here.
And then you know what, Franco?
What's that?
It's about to start to rain, so if it does rain, all you gotta do is hit this little button right here.
Okay.
And check out the roof. It's closing there, and then it retracts. It's a retractable roof.
That's awesome. I didn't even know that, to be honest.
Yeah, that's cool.
So one of the first guest bedrooms here, a lot of space here. You could put possibly a king size bed if you want.
Yeah.
And walking in here, I thought maybe this was the master bedroom because it has access to the balcony. It has its own full bathroom as well.
Access to this balcony here, and then you can overlook the gated community
The gated community.
You actually do have a view of the city over there.
Yeah. So
and it's got its own walk-in closet and bathroom over here.
So I'll let you go through here actually.
Okay, so this
open
is
the door
closet. A lot of space here.
Yeah, great closet space.
And then you have the bathroom. I think the bathroom could be upgraded. I mean, it is ready to live in because it's not like deteriorated, but if you wanted to upgrade the design to make it look a little bit more modern, you could.
And then here's the other bedroom here.
Yep.
And it's pretty much the same layout.
Same size.
Has access to the balcony as well.
Yep.
And it also has its own full bathroom with its own walk-in closet.
Yep. Let's see, is that bathroom? Oh, it's the same design.
Yeah.
Yeah, same design. You've got the closet and the bathroom. This is like a little den area here. You can make it like your movie room.
Yeah.
You feel like you're sitting outdoors, but you're not outdoors. You just got this big open place, and then
I like this. This is cool. I think
it's kind of like
I would enjoy this, to be honest. Like if I were to have this property, I would
bring your laptop and work right there.
Work right here, get all the natural light. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, it's not bad. Maybe I'd set up an office space here.
Yeah, you could, yeah. I have a kid, so this would definitely be like a play area.
Oh, I could totally see that. So we have the other guest bedroom here. We have extra closet space here if you need it.
Yeah, a lot of space. Okay. And then you've got this room. It's a little different layout.
Different layout from the other ones. We immediately see the full bathroom here.
Full bath and
then your closet space is in here.
Yep. It's not, the light's not on, but you can see. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
It's a lot of space.
And then here's the other the rest of the bedroom here, where you could have a bigger bed if you wanted it as well. And then you have a view a bit of the back patio over here.
Yeah, okay. Let's go into the master bedroom.
Okay, so now let's go to the master bedroom here.
Okay.
And this space is amazing. Check this out.
Oh, wow, yeah, this one is huge.
It's so huge. You could have your own separate like living room area if you wanted to.
Yeah, it's very big, yeah. Let me see from this angle over here.
Yeah, here, let me go over here so you guys can have
for context. Yeah,
context of size here.
It is a lot of room. Okay, so this is the master bedroom.
Yeah, and then you have the full bathroom over here, which something that I noticed here.
Oh wow, look how big this closet is.
Yeah, the closet, a lot of space, goes all the way up to the top.
Yeah.
And then here on the other side, you have the shower, but you also have a tub, which
like
you don't see too often.
Yeah. Again, I think for anybody that moves in here, it's move-in ready. But if you wanted to, the only thing that would really need an upgrade is probably just the bathrooms.
The bathrooms, I totally agree. And then you also do have access to a balcony here with the master bedroom. So let's head over to the patio and the backyard, because this is a backyard.
Yeah, this is outdoor furniture here. So this is an outdoor area.
Yeah.
That's the indoor area.
Yeah,
outdoor area.
And they pushed all the furniture in because it's starting to rain a little bit, so they didn't want it to get ruined by the water, by the rain. So here, something that I didn't even notice when I was just looking at this is that there's stairs over here. And this leads up to, well, we'll have to go figure out because I have no idea. Let's see what it is.
But you could easily put like a jacuzzi down here.
Yeah, you can.
Really cool. Maybe even
have
like a
barbecue
little pool
set up. You know, if you have kids, have little goals set up or a basketball set up.
Yeah.
And this is, oh, this is nice.
Yeah, this is like a little garden area.
A little garden, yeah. If you're into gardening and you love, you know, having plants, I think this would be your spot.
Franco, what should people do if they want to come see this one?
Well, when you're ready to purchase in the next 30 days and your budget is $150,000 or above, and you want to work with our proven system, because here in Colombia, there is no MLS. So we decided to create our own MLS, the Medellin Living Search System. What is that? That is where we take your criteria and we search the entire market looking for that perfect property for you. So stop wasting time, click the link in the description, fill out the buyer form, and someone on our team will reach out to you, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Laters.